Hello and welcome to the Faculty of Nursing, part of the Saskatchewan Collaborative Bachelor of Science in Nursing program offered jointly with Saskatchewan Polytechnic. We call it the SCBScN program for short. My name is Kristen Pegan and I will be your host for this short video. Here are a few facts about the SCBScN program. We are a collaborative program offered by the University of Regina and Saskatchewan Polytechnic. Entry into the SCBScN program is competitive and based on the admission requirement courses. Only students with the highest GPA will be offered admission. We are a direct entry program, which means you can enter right after high school. We are located in Regina and Saskatchewan. Applications for the SCBScN program open October 1st and will close February 15th. There is only one intake per year. This means there's no intake for the winter or spring-summer terms. There are 4 different program routes for the SCBScN program. There is the regular 4-year program, which is the most prescribed. We also offer a bilingual program, where students who are fluent in English and French can complete their program in these 2 languages. 50% of the program is completed in English, and the other 50% is completed in French. The program is only offered in Regina and has 7 seats. Applicants can apply to both the bilingual and English program. Next, there is the after-degree program. This program is offered in Regina and is open to students who have previously completed a degree in an alternate discipline. Finally, we have the upper year admission category for applicants who have previously completed a practical nursing diploma, a psychiatric nursing diploma, or a minimum of 9 credit hours of nursing courses. So, why should you choose the SCBScN program for your nursing education? There are a few reasons, such as direct entry from high school. This means you can get started on your nursing program right away. You'll have the opportunity to complete nursing courses and even clinical experiences in your very first year. There are also benefits to belonging to a collaborative program. This means that students can access supports from both institutions, such as scholarships, libraries, advisors, and the gym. There's clinical and hands-on experience every year in the program. This is a great way to get a feel for nursing and start to practice those skills right from year 1 and throughout your entire program. We have high NCLEX pass rates. All nursing students are required to write and pass a national licensing exam. Our students have some of the highest first-time pass rates in the province. Our program prepares you to be successful on your NCLEX exam and in your nursing career. You'll have access to simulation labs, which include lifelike mannequins, some of which breathe and even give birth. Last but not least, there is the opportunity to join NURUP, which is the Nursing Undergraduate Research Internship Program. This gives students the opportunity to do research in nursing over the spring-summer semester and get paid to do it. The Faculty of Nursing at the University of Regina is the only university in Canada with an undergraduate nursing research internship program. Now let's talk numbers. For the 2023 fall intake, there will be 407 seats between the SCBScN and after-degree nursing program. Of those 407 seats, 348 will go towards the 4-year entry route, which are divided between Regina and Saskatoon. There will be 7 seats for bilingual, 36 seats for the after-degree nursing program, and 16 seats for the upper year admission route. In regards to cutoff scores, in 2022 for high school, it was 83%, and in 2021 it was 87%. For post-secondary categories in 2022, the cutoff score was 70%, and 71% in 2021. As a current high school applicant, there are a few ways to complete courses prior to entry, such as the following: completing AP or IB courses while still in high school, completing the High School Accelerated Program, which allows students to kickstart their university studies, taking a university class while in grade 11 or 12. Students can complete courses such as Art 220, Business 100, Cree 100, English 100, or others. Our program requires English 100 and 3 open electives, so these are great options to get ahead. Lastly, we have the Summer Bridge program. Students can complete English 100 in the summer prior to entering nursing. This program allows students to complete English 100 with access to various supports, tutors, and workshops. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We welcome you to visit our website, www.sasknursingdegree.ca, for information on admission requirements and important deadlines. If you have any questions about our program, you can contact us at nursing@uregina.ca or give us a call at 306-337-3300.